Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the app in System Basics so changes work. Open Settings and check the app version and Android update. Outdated builds cause auto pause. Next, grant necessary permissions, background play, draw over other apps, and battery optimization exemption. This prevents the OS from killing Playback. Once done, turn off Data Saver or set the app as unrestricted for background data so network drops don't trigger pause. These steps prepare your phone for the fixes that follow. Now you change the settings that most commonly cause auto pause. In battery settings, disable adaptive battery for the app or add the app to the protected /whitelist so the system won't suspend it. Then open the app's playback settings and disable any auto pause or smart pause features. That stops the app itself from pausing when face or motion sensors act up. Make sure screen timeout is reasonable or enable stay awake while charging so the display doesn't lock and halt playback. Finish by validating the changes and handling persistent problems. Force stop the app and relaunch it, then play a long video to confirm no auto pauses. If problems continue, clear the app cache to remove corrupt temporary data. Avoid clearing app data unless you backed up settings. Reboot the phone to apply system-level changes. As a final troubleshooting tip, reinstall the app or test with another user account or device to isolate whether it's the app or your phone causing the auto pauses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.